All right, it's time to talk holidays and holiday gatherings. Will you be hosting one this season?
And if you don't want to be playing bartender all night, there are actually some great drinks that you can impress your guests with and make ahead of time so they can enjoy and you can have joy.
Yes,
Absolutely. Yes.
Demetrios Zaharidis, the cocktail chemist, is showing us how to make these easy holiday cocktails. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Thank you again. Demetrios was kind enough to host a charity event at my house. And
of course, my pleasure.
It was so
my
much
pleasure.
fun.
It was a great time.
Good, I'm so
great
glad.
time.
And he cocktailed and chemist, so everybody was happy.
I'm just
All of it.
excited that your first option involves a crock pot, because that makes, I know Scott loves the crock pot.
Who doesn't like crock pots?
I don't even know. I'm afraid it's going to burn my house
He
down.
won't use a crock pot because he
Really?
thinks it's going to burn his house down.
Oh my God, it's like the safest thing to use in the world.
All right, very good. Yeah, I've never heard of a fire being caused by a crock pot.
True.
So.
Exactly.
All right.
And if it happens, it'll take many hours to happen.
So what is cooking in this?
So we have mulled wine. So Carrie, you asked me, what to do around the holidays to, so you don't have to do it. So these are 3 cocktails that were inspired by your question,
Yes,
actually.
I did ask that.
Yes. So we're doing 3 simple cocktails. We're not, there's no tools out. We're not going to be mixing anything. Well, we're mixing. We're not going to shake. We're not going to stir. So 3 nice, easy cocktails. First one is the mulled wine in the crock pot. So mulled wine, traditionally served warm.
Yes.
Well, that's the way I like it, at least. It's basically a wine-based warm cocktails with some winter spices. So you got allspice, clove, some orange peel, cinnamon, some sugar. I put a little orange juice in there, and all these recipes will be on my Facebook page, just so it's
We
there.
can find it there.
Yes.
So let me just ask you, because I've only had mulled wine. I've never made it.
Yeah.
Is it just wine, or are you adding? Do you have to add spirits to it too?
I added a little bit of spiced rum to this one.
Okay.
Just to
it's basically
kick up
red
the,
wine usually.
Yes,
more
it's red wine based. Yes, exactly.
And then you do special spices. Do you just put them in, or do you need to put it like
Put
in
them
a
in.
cheesecloth?
No, I put them right in.
Okay.
And just let them steep in the crock pot for a couple hours. Put it on low, and then you just leave it. And then you gauge. It's not
This
strong.
is
It's
so
just like
good.
having a glass of wine.
No,
You know
they
what I mean?
served this, and the first time I had it, I think, was we were doing a story for Channel 3 in Germany, and they served
That's why I had it for the first time in Germany.
Delicious.
I mean, they have little kiosks set up all over the place.
I don't like wine. I don't like wine when it's regular temperature. I don't like it when don't cook it on me.
It's cozy. All right, maybe you'll like that.
All right, so now we have a punch. So
Thank God.
all these. So now the punch is like we've always done, very low in alcohol. So you can leave this out and not worry about Uncle Fred getting in his too much to drink.
Okay.
It's very low in alcohol. It packs a big flavor. We're gonna just use this one here. And it's delicious. So we used some spiced rum.
Okay.
We used a little bit of Litchfield Distillery cinnamon bourbon.
Okay.
Cinnamon
We used some tea, some bitters.
Tea, like you made tea ahead of time?
Yep.
Any kind of tea, or?
I used black tea in this one.
Okay.
Yeah, but you can use any kind of tea.
It's got a little caffeine in your punch,
Yes.
too.
Oh, it is. It's very light.
There you go. And we could just top it. You don't like bubbles, do you?
No, I'm good. I'm good without the bubbles. It's
I like
very light.
So we're gonna
Bubbles.
give some bubbles. So we're
the
doing a
bubbles
little
is
bit
an
of the a little add-on, a little sparkling apple pomegranate. I mean, you could put it obviously right into the mixture itself.
And then
and
there
that's
goes-
it. And this is non-alcoholic, so
There goes
you have to
Uncle Fred.
Uncle Fred's having a good old
this is
time.
the kind you give to kids.
Exactly.
All right.
Yeah, but then we garnish it with some oranges, some lemons. You could do whatever you want.
It's very pretty and
Yeah,
festive.
exactly.
Okay?
And then lastly, we have our classic eggnog.
Which is the best thing.
I love eggnog.
I'm not an eggnog fan, so I'm going to let you enjoy that. See, I'll do the
Perfect.
warm wine, and you can have the eggnog.
At least we got the wine for you. So, so basically, this one here, I mean, eggnog is made with eggs, cream, some spirits, some sugar. We used for spirits. We went a little not heavy, but more options. We did some maple bourbon from Litchfield Distillery. We did some vanilla bourbon from Litchfield Distillery, and we did a Greek honey liqueur. And then that's it. I mean, you don't have to make it fresh from scratch. You could always. There's really good ones on the market. I know Arethusa in Bantam makes an exceptional. Probably the best one I've ever had, and it's prepackaged. You take it, you go,
So
and you just add
the
booze.
eggnog, oh, you just add the booze.
That's
okay.
it.
All
Yep,
right.
that's
and
it.
then you put it
And you put it in a bowl.
with a bunch of ice.
Exactly, bunch of ice, and then our trusty nutmeg. I don't know if you've noticed, but I love nutmeg.
You love to do that.
Yes.
Now, let me ask you, if you were out there serving this, could you just sprinkle nutmeg on top?
Yes.
Or, okay,
Yep.
you don't need to do it
exactly.
each individual.
Same thing
Okay.
I did with the punch here as well. Is
Or
we
leave
just
this out
put-
and tell people to do it on their own
They could
cup.
do that,
Yep.
so they could feel like the bartender as well.
Yeah.
But yeah, these are all the recipes. I did all the math to make larger batches. So
You like that?
I'm going to turn into Uncle Fred.
Okay. All right. Be sure to follow Demetrios on Facebook. And if you
Cheers.
like
That's
any of these
wonderful.
recipes, you're going to find them here on his Facebook page. Just search The Cocktail Chemist. Thank you.
Thank you, Demetrios. That was delicious.